Meaning of happenstance.
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 Happenstance. Happenstance refers to an event that happens by chance or coincidence, without being planned or foreseen. It can also refer to the circumstances that lead up to such an event. The result of happenstance can vary greatly depending on the situation and context in which it occurs. Sometimes, it can lead to positive outcomes, such as a chance encounter with someone who becomes a lifelong friend or business partner. Other times, it can have negative consequences, such as being in the wrong place at the wrong time and becoming a victim of crime. Regardless, happenstance is a reminder that life is unpredictable and often surprises us with unexpected twists and turns.